Hello, I'm Mark Davis. Welcome to the May 5th, 2026 edition of PAR Tuesday News Review. PAR TNR is your news about issues that are important to IDA providers in our community. Thanks for tuning in. PAR continues to work on the state fiscal year 2027 state budget ask. PAR is collecting stories from individuals and their families about the services they've received for submission to the PA General Assembly for PAR's advocacy purposes. PAR is pleased to announce that on May 4th, 2026, the Commonwealth Court granted the application to publish the decision in Dunkelberger v. DHS, which struck down ODP's 40/60 rule for family caregivers. As a result, the Commonwealth Court's decision will now be classified as an opinion and will be formally reported, making it binding precedent on lower courts. PAR, in partnership with RCPA, TPA, MAX, the Alliance, and the ARC of Pennsylvania, filed an application with the Commonwealth Court in March, requesting that the court consider formally publishing the Dunkelberger decision. The Dunkelberger family also filed a parallel application to publish with the court, including numerous letters of support from providers, families, and advocacy groups. DHS opposed the petitions. As we said at the time of our application, we understand that there may be differences of opinion about the Dunkelberger decision. However, we believe then and still believe that it was important for there to be clarity on these issues for providers and families. PAR values and respects our relationship with DHS and ODP. PAR works hard to always maintain an open, honest, professional, and cordial relationship with ODP and DHS, even when we might not see eye to eye. We stand ready with the other associations to work with ODP and DHS on issues of significance for people with IDA and our community of providers. Some of the partial federal government shutdown ended after 76 days on April 30th. The funding deal does not include funds for ICE and parts of CBP, which Republican lawmakers plan to address through a separate budget reconciliation bill. The president is asking for this reconciliation bill to be on his desk by June 1st. Last month, the Senate passed the appropriations authorization narrowly focused on the Department of Homeland Security funding and not on other public policy priorities. PAR is working with the administration on challenges and opportunities associated with the implementation of H.R. 1. PAR remains committed to working in partnership with our government partners to help our system be more efficient, effective, and sustainable. PAR will continue to monitor governmental strategies to address the perception of waste, fraud, and abuse in our system. Please follow PAR and Anchor for further updates and resources on federal issues. On March 7, 2026, ODP published the final fee schedule rates for support coordination services in the Pennsylvania Bulletin with an effective date of July 1, 2026. The association sent a joint letter to the department outlining our concerns with the changes from PBC for SCOs. As a result, ODP is delaying the effective date of the published fee schedule by 6 months until January 1st, 2027, to allow additional time for transition activities related to the rates changing from a 15-minute fee-for-service schedule rates to monthly case rates and flat fee-for-service rates. We're excited to officially announce a new collaboration between PAR and NextGen Synergy designed to expand training, strengthen workforce capacity, and support better outcomes across IDA and behavioral health services. Our initial enrollment period is open from May 4th through June 4th, 2026, with the program officially beginning on July 1, 2026. NextGen Synergy is a nonprofit organization focused on building clinical expertise and providing practical tools to better support individuals with intellectual disabilities and autism and co-occurring mental health needs. For more information or questions, please email us at par@par.net. Thanks for watching PAR TNR. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you next week.